Alright, yo, I want to do a bit of a different video. I want to do a backtesting session, recording of it, because I've I've been doing a lot of backtesting. I've been doing a lot of these accounts, and I have like 10 accounts, and I have like a lot of them like passed if you consider them a funded account. So I took all these trades on the account until I reached 6%, and then I'm basically done for you as well. So that's passed. Out of these 10 accounts, I'm now making new 10 ones. So this one failed. This one passed. This one passed. Oops. This one passed. This one failed because I was up, and then my drawdown would be up that much. Passed this one, and also passed this one. So I'm getting really great results on these funded accounts, or like on these backtesting accounts, and I want to do like a thought process behind these trades to maybe learn even more from, because these accounts are going really well. Yeah, and I kind of want to just show my thought process with these. So yeah, gonna do my analysis top down. So this is around 2020. So I knew that there was like Corona, that we had a big drop. I really don't know where it was. Could be this move here, but could be dropping even more. That's all I know. But there's like no further analysis that I know of, or further data of that I know of. So here on the daily chart it is, and the weekly doesn't really tell anything, because we have this small move and then the up move. There's nothing really there. Could say there was a rejection block, but I just look at more refined time frames. So the daily then, because we have this structure here. If there was way more structure, then I would went up higher time frames, of course. But yeah, the daily, I look at ES because ES is higher, as you can see. I look at this CB. Why do I look at this CB? Because we had this huge move up, and I want to actually see a retracement, because I've done all this backtesting here. I want to see a retracement after we swept these equal lows or equal highs, and I want to see lower prices, but we went up even more. A weekend went over this, so now we're above this CB here, not on NQ, but we are above ES. But now you can see on ES that this was Friday, now it's Monday, and we do have high impact news folders on Monday. I don't look at this, never look at that, so I don't have anything there, nothing in my how do I say that, in my in my, let me look it up, in my benefit. So yeah, we closed above this inversion, or above this CB here on ES. So I actually wanted to see this act as support and then go higher, because we get this huge move to the upside. Because most of the time I look at a retracement back into equilibrium and then go higher. But because we inverse this here and there is no singular CB, so on the 12 hour we have one there, one there, one there, and I look for a singular CB in this entire leg. But we don't even have that on the daily. So we have a CB there and CB there, and then on the weekly we don't have any CB. So what I do is I most of the time go to the time frame where we have two inversions, then that's like alright, but 3 is like the max I'll go, and if we have 4, then that's not high probability. But yeah, this is on the, we have 2 on the daily, so I want to see this act as support and then go higher. But as you can see, we clearly went through this and closed below this, so that means the draw is even lower. Then I don't look in this leg, but then I look even lower. So then I look at NQ. Why do I look at NQ? Because NQ is lower than ES. We are still in the CB, so that means NQ is lower, so we should have a retracement on NQ, and then, or a bigger retracement on NQ, a smaller retracement on ES, and then go higher. Yeah, that's my thought process behind this. So let's refine it even more. So daily reaction lower. We want to go lower. I look for a singular busy inside of this leg. So we have one there, one there, one there. Go to the weekly, and I'm perfectly there. We have a busy there, singular one in this entire leg. There's no BC there. There's one there. And this one is still forming. This new week just started. So we have one here on ES. We have another one there on ES. So it doesn't matter because I only have a singular one on NQ. So what I want to see on ES is I either want us to see us step inside of this equilibrium and then go higher, or NQ can tap inside of this busy and then go higher. If ES goes into this weekly busy first, then I don't see that as the low. I want to see NQ tap this first, but if ES does it first, then that's not valid because I want the ES. I want to see ES go to equilibrium, and NQ can go to this busy and also equilibrium, but probably that busy. So yeah, that's my thought process behind it. So yeah, this busy here, that's my drawn liquidity for now, for NQ. So I'll be taking shorts on NQ. So let's refine it even more. 12 hour, that really doesn't really tell me anything more. So what I do is I most of the time go from the daily to the 4 hour, go to the structure here. And I know that on Monday we have high impact news folder because we have Powell speaking, and that's inside of the trading day. So when Powell is speaking like at 5 p.m, then I see that as like there's no red news that day because that's when the markets are closed, so that really doesn't matter. And then I look what else news we have. So Tuesday no news, not even red, orange news folders. Wednesday not even orange news folders. Thursday we have orange news folders, and then Friday we have one orange news folder. So nothing crazy this week, probably an accumulation week, but that's what we gotta work with. So I look at this leg here. We have a CB there, we have CB there. I look for a singular one. 8 hour, you have no CB there, so we have one there. Also tapped constant encroachment, or barely tapped constant encroachment there. Doesn't really say anything though. Then I look at a yes, CB there, CB there. Yes here, we have a CB here. Smallest CB, still CB. Could be 12 hour. Nice CB there. This is close, this is balanced, but once we close below, then it's a balanced price range. But yeah, I'm already looking for lower prices. So now I look from the 4 hour to the 1 hour for even more structure. You see that this candle doesn't really, doesn't make sense. So there's probably a new week opening gap here. Could mark that out, but won't do that. I'll just mark out the liquidity. Why I won't do that is because I'm already expecting way lower prices. But yeah, we do have an accumulation week this week. There's nothing really crazy with high impact news folders. So I could mark it out, but I won't. Say also the same liquidity here on ES. Now we look at this direction of the CB. When's that? Paul speaking. Was 8 a.m. Right. I'll look at that reaction there. Go to the smaller time frame. Look at what liquidity we have here. Yeah, this is fully closed. This took out that high. There's no real liquidity here. If you look then when this was here, if you go in replay mode, then this would be the singular CB. Fully closed at there, so this is balanced. So this is now balanced price range. So I don't expect this high to get taken. We're now in this big down move. So CB there, CB there. So singular CB would be here. We did come above there a bit more. So yeah, maybe we could form like an SMT. We do also have a rejection block here. Big wick there. But I won't really see that high taken. It's a big rejection block actually. Let's look at this. This doesn't tap the constant encroachment with the body, so it's valid as a rejection block. Then on 9Q, I'm already looking for lower prices. This is balanced. There's no SMT here with this and this high, so these are like equal highs, you could say. Didn't take out that high there. Did take out that high there. Oh yeah, there's no middle line on. Yeah. There's no middle line on replay. So there. So I'm already looking for lower prices. Actually, I really like to go back. Actually, I can't. No. I kind of want to. I really like to take trades. I should do that. Go some settings. I really like to take trades at the 850 to 910 macro before market even opens. I really like to do that with the macro time or with the backtesting. I'm backtesting that, so gotta add that. Yeah. All right. Yeah, we do have equalize there. We do have an SMT here. I look at a lower structure now. We have an SMT there. It shows that ES is weaker, which on longer time frame I wouldn't want to do that. I wouldn't want to see that. So that means that we're probably going to be inside of this range here. But yeah, we do an SMT there. We did take out this low here. Didn't do it there, so we also have an SMT there. So we do still have equal lows with this low here. Equal lows, also equal lows there. But yeah, I'm already expecting a lower price. So let's look at the lower time frame structure now. See if we have more liquidity above here. So we do have liquidity above there. This took out that high. There's not really a lot of liquidity there. Clean equal highs. So yeah, I would actually look at a short inside of this leg here. So I look at this leg here now, and I look at a singular busy. It's actually this here. We're already close below there, but I don't like to take trades right at open. So when this setup formed in like the 850 macro, then it would be fine. But I don't like to do this. But yeah, this is now an inversion, and I would like to see this low. But in market open, anything can happen. It can happen. So let's play it out. All right, manipulation up. Big candle higher. Could be the Judas swing here. Alright, so we did create a pissy there. Maybe we can see it get inversed. Let's see where we're going for. Barely came short of this high here to create equal highs above there. Could be generated by side liquidity. Let's see what we do with this busy there. Didn't close below on ES. Alright, took it a high there. This could be a turtle soup. Took that high there. Didn't take it out on ES though. Do have another SMT there. So yeah, because we are in a shorter range, I actually want to see way lower prices, of course. But what I said is that we have accumulation because of this range. What was I saying because of the accumulation? What was showing me like a big SMT? What was it? I don't even remember. I don't even remember what it was, but yes, was showing that it wants to go lower now, but on the bigger time frame didn't want to show that. I don't know what it was, but all that matters is that I did say that. So yeah, do have this bit here. Let's see if we inverse it. So an instant reaction of that SMT could be really good. Alright, so no instant reaction. We even use it as support, so I don't want to see that. So could already invalidate it. Oh, I didn't even see this. Look at this. Do have equal highs there above, equal highs above there now, but NQ is now going lower. So that's actually what I want to see. Let's see one more candle. Oh, we did tap that Sibi here, singular Sibi. Let's see if we inverse it. We didn't yet. Let's see this high now taken as an actual turtle soup, because there are a lot of generated highs above there. Maybe we can step them in there. We did close below here. Kind of want to see this high get taken though. Alright, so there we go, lower, lower. Alright, so there's that trade gone now. It's totally fine. I did want to see it close below this candle here. But I did want to see like a one more turtle soup. Yeah, this just had to remember this actually just generate buy side liquidity. Look at these equal highs actually. Just generate buy side liquidity for later because we're in accumulation range. But yeah, Could be a beautiful trade, close below there. And I most of the time take inversion setups. That's like what I do. Stop was above here, close above this inversion could be stop. Or what I do is I take it to a safe stop, and if that's stopped out, then it's totally fine. So yeah, from there, I most of the time go to like a minimal 1.75 risk to reward. Yeah, that should have been, or that would have been a beautiful trade actually. Let's close that. So now we took this low. This was like a obvious low because there was really clean lows below there, or really clean lows below there. So this one is not really, doesn't really look like equal lows there, but if you look at ES, then those are equal lows. So that's why NQ attacked that. So we have another CB there, and then we also have that new weak opening gap that we could mark out. So close to the open. Close, open. There, alright. So that could be a target as well. We do have sell side below here as well. Let's see if that's taken. No. So we do have equal lows above there. So this would be the actual target. So it would be even better risk reward. So I'll be holding to even more. So this was the close below. Stop above there, close above there, and then above that high of that SIBI. Singular SIBI. Then this would be the original target. So let's see it play out. Beautiful. So yeah, that would be a beautiful trade. So yeah, let's remove it. Alright. So yeah, it's just a big move to the downside. So what happens after a big move to the downside? Most of the time you have accumulation. So let's wait this out here. And I think we have a lot of, or we should have accumulation inside of here. Really have no bias here now. So what I do in a live market, I really have no idea. Because we have no bias, of course. So yeah, we are going lower. So it could be a new weak opening gap, could be a target. I think this is the rejection block, was it? Yeah, so rejection block low, doesn't really matter, but still I think we do want to go lower though. There, that's a new weak opening gap, new weak opening gap. And now it's just accumulation, so it's 10-15. But yeah, big move to the downside, that's just most of the time. After this, it's just people chasing, it's people calling the bottom, it's people calling the top. Like, it's a lot of things that could go wrong, right? Like, this isn't high probability condition when such a move has already happened. So we could just watch this. Could give my analysis to this, but really have no confidence with this at all. So we do have a singular SIBI here. Could be the drawn liquidity. For now, could be really have no idea. So SIBI there. SIBI there. SIBI there. So when I see a SIBI pretty high up, this isn't really that high up, but what I do is when it's like, you could like average it out. You could put like a quadrant there, and when there's like a SIBI all the way, like a really small SIBI, singular SIBI all the way above there, or when there's like a SIBI way in here in this first quadrant, then what I do is I drag equilibrium. So, but this really isn't an example, but yeah. But yeah, this could be drawn liquidity. Let's see. You also have the inversion there. Could mark that out, but don't really have to. Do the same as this leg here, so we got that reaction of that new weak opening gap. Could be the low, could not be, but let's look at it. You have a BISI there, you have a BISI there, you can see it, 2 minute BISI here, no BISI there. So when there's no BISI there, but we do have, oh, this one is closed, so this is balanced, but we do have another one there, another one there. So what I do is I go to the time frame up, equilibrium. Then I look, same as the higher time frame, I want NQ to tap inside of that equilibrium, I want ES to tap inside of that BISI. And then this is ES, so we have a BISI there now, BISI there now. So we don't have anything here, so still equilibrium is valid on NQ. But yeah, we have a BISI here, BISI here. So let's go to the 3 minutes, singular BISI is here now on ES. So let's see if we tap inside of there. So either equilibrium on NQ or singular BISI on ES. Let's see. Look at this. small move, fake move, 100%. Let's see. Boom. There, fell short of that Sibi, fake move. Watch this. If I'm right, of course. I really have no idea, but always a small fake move. Even if this is the fake move, because I have no bias, but it's just always beautiful to see. So tap equilibrium now. Didn't tap that singular busy, but we're just that close, so we probably will tap that singular busy. There. Now went way lower, took out that low. We have an SMT now. Let's look at this. You go way lower. Didn't even tap that singular busy. Didn't even tap equilibrium. Is that high probability? Definitely not. No, not equilibrium there. Oh, we did tap equilibrium here though. Alright, so this would be an example here. This would be an example. If we take the quadrants, then this is still below that quadrant. But yeah, I would expect that singular Sibi to get tapped, even though if you have equilibrium above here, then I would want to see a it's a pretty quick reaction actually, but when we are that much above equilibrium, so let's say it's a bigger time frame, that I want to see a pretty quick reaction. Yeah, this confirmed it. So yeah, this was not fast enough for me to watch this here. But yeah, valid reaction. Now we go lower. Let's look at this low. I said this was going to be an accumulation day or week. Let's see if we take out this low, tap that busy there. New week opening gap, back at it. Create basically equal lows here. Now I look at a time frame up because we have a lot of Sibis here. Look at a singular Sibi. Yeah, this reaction is already valid, so if this is getting first, I'm not really expecting that high, but still. But we do have equal lows here, yes. Let's look at what time it is, 10:42. It's still inside of that kill zone, still valid. Timer's right. So we do, oh no, we have nothing there. So do nothing there. Take out those equal lows now there. So we have no SMT. Let's look at this. Take out these lows. Let's see if we go lower. Alright, there. And there, that's just beautiful again. So people that are chasing price, we get a reaction here. What Sibi do you take? We have a reaction, we go lower, big displacement, Sibi gets displaced through or gets inverted. Not high probability. So again, back inside of a new week opening gap, we do have equal lows now there. Let's look at this leg here, singular. Oh, there's nothing there. So again, I want to see this get in first before we take out this high here. Oh, we already did on NQ. But yeah, let's see. Let's see what we want to do. Let's look at this entire leg here. It looks a bit, there's a lot of drawings on here. Sorry. Oh, you could do that, yeah. Alright, so let's look at singular Sibi. Sibi there, Sibi there. Singular Sibi here. Now this would be pretty high up. Equilibrium is way lower there. Still inside of that quadrant. But equilibrium is there, but yeah. I would expect that Sibi to get tapped there. Let's look at it, yes. Sibi there. Nothing there. Look at a singular one here. Swing high to swing low. Equilibrium, quadrants. Still inside of that quadrant, still would be fine, but equilibrium is way lower. So could have a reaction there, but not really expecting that. But when we have this much separation, this already shows low probability actually. But let's see it. Let's not mark out equilibrium here. But yeah, already look like accumulation. I think we have accumulation here. Oh, sorry, past that kill zone. But we are in this macro here, so let's see if there's anything here. There's buy side liquidity up above there. You have equal highs above there, so really have no bias, but that's what I'm reaching for now. Equal highs above there. Singular busy also, or CB, sorry, CB here, this or pink zone, and then this pink zone here. This is where I want to see the macro reach for. If I want to see the macro reach for this, then I want to see this leg get inverted. 4 minutes, 4 minutes, a singular one. There. Singular CB. Inversion there. 3 minute, singular inversion. Pretty big inversion, so when we get it close above, then it would be all the way there, so risk reward would be actually a really terrible. Like that, so already low probability. Do have equal lows below there. More equal lows. Step those equal lows, let's see. Displacement up, looks like a turtle soup. But it's that low time frame, so let's see what we do. Again, go lower, take out that low again. Low probability, no turtle soup. Take out that low there, didn't on NQ. So we do have an SMT there. Did, yes, take out this low here. No, it's all the way down there. Alright. So we do have an SMT here now, let's see if it holds. But yeah, it's already past that kill zone, no setup formed inside of that kill zone, so I was looking for that macro to reach for these highs, but as you can see, the macro tapped just inside of that CB went even lower. But yeah, no high probability. So let's go to the next. So what my times are from 9:30 to 11:10. That's what I'm trading. Then 11:10 I take a small break. And then I could be trading 12:10, then break, and then 13 to. This could be, but it's really not really sure with this. This is 13, but this could be 13:10 because our macro starts at 13:10 and 15:10. I'm still looking at this, but now it's actually at this, so it's actually 15, and then it would be 15:15 to 15:45. So that would be basically times, just the macro times. If we do the indicators macro, I see. Oh, all right. Let's go to trading view actually. I see macros. So macro times 50:50, 50:45, 13:10, 30:40. But yeah, I extended out until 14:10. Let's see last time, and then there, 14:10, 15:10 or 15, and then 50:15 to 15:45. But yeah, now this is outside of the kill zone, outside of the macro. So let's go further. Let's go to 11:50 to 11 or to 12:10. All right, so here's the macro. So we do have still have that SMT holding. So if you still want to take out those highs, because there's a lot of buy side liquidity above there, a lot of people went short, stop losses above there, trade stop losses. Let's look at this leg here, busy there, busy here, busy here. This one is balanced though, but still. Let's look here, singular busy. Would be here. We gotta close below though. And lower here. We are respecting it still on ES, so doesn't really mean anything. Let's see. I would actually take a long inside of here, because we do have this busy. We did close below on NQ, but we did it on ES, and we're still respecting it on ES. NQ is showing that stronger because of that SMT, and we do have a really small inversion here, or a really small CB here. So once we get a strong displacement through the upside, I'll actually go long. Might stop a bit below here. I'll be targeting this high. There would be my stop to break even. Then I'll be targeting these highs, and could have to leave runners all the way there. So let's see. Alright, took out that low there. Took out that low there. Let's see if we still respecting on the yes though. Alright, went above there again. Alright, no setup formed, so macro still going. Didn't take out that low there. See what we want to do. Big displacement through the upside. That's 1203. Still inside of that macro. Did close below there on the yes. You do have these small wicks here. It's not just back and forth price action basically. So this is just a big move to the upside, yes. Big move to the upside, yes. But big move to the upside would be a wick here. So we do a wick there. We do create equal lows there though. But yeah, we still have that SMT holding. So could still be a valid setup. Let's actually look inside of this leg here. Do we have anything here? This is just back and forward price action. Don't really like that, but it is slow resistance liquidity though. Let's wait a bit more. That's why I wait a bit more. So this got in first. Do create equal highs above there. Does that mean that this is pretty high probability about though, but doesn't really mean anything because we could just be going back and forth because this is choppy price action. Big push, then back here. So it is choppy price action if you look at a higher time frame. But this most of the time is pretty good setup. But it's just if it was real money, I would definitely want to do that. So let's just wait. And there, that just shows it again. And there, that just shows it again. Close below. This big move, close below. Big move, close above. Big move, close below. That's like so. Back and forth price action is pretty bad. Alright, let's see that low there. So let's look at the time. It's 12:30. So what I do is I go to next New York session to 13 now. So no SMT now there. So yeah, this day was just a pretty bearish day. You have like 2 more hours until the market like not closes, like 3 more hours. But don't really expect really anything crazy. Because we already had the big down move, and what I said, we have a big down move. What comes after that? Accumulation. So what I want to see is I want to see the people that were in profit this all day. I want to see those get targeted now. Singular CB. Singular CB here still. 30 minutes. Or actually, yeah, need 30 minutes. Yeah. All right, so that's where I'm targeting. Let's actually see here. Now they could project this. Quadrants. And now it's still inside of there, but that's just risky. So what I do is I track equilibrium. Equilibrium there. Quadrants. Yeah. Don't have to have equilibrium on there. So yeah, didn't take out that low there yet. So we do have equal lows below there. Didn't take out it there. Didn't take it out there. But also when you can see like where you have sell side liquidity below, if this would be a market maker sell model, then ICT always says I want to see the original consolidation get targeted quick. Like I want to see quick reaction there. Why does he want to see that? Well, if there's quick reaction there, then nobody can move their stop losses or can remove their stop losses or anything and then move it lower. So he wants to see quick reaction there so that everybody that does have the stop losses there will get stopped out very quickly. And if we don't get a fast move below that low, that means something, right? So I'll be waiting for that. So this already means lower probability. So let's see. Do equal lows below there, where we did take out that low there. Big displacement, big displacements. 13:14, so it's now the macro time. Wait, we do create equal lows there now, so maybe I want to see those equal lows first. See what we get. Alright, there it goes. There's that low. ES has that low all the way lower. So if we want to see a bullish reaction now, I want to see this hold. That's an SMT. And I want to see higher prices now. So let's actually see here. So we have a busy there. If we could close below on like the next 3 candles or something, I would take this long here, stop the break even there, and then target even higher. Let's see. And go way lower and take it out of the low. Alright, so that's that quick reaction. So again, close the day there. It's now almost 14. So what I do, I skip a lot, go to 14. Let's see 4-hour candle opening. Mark out the candle opening. There. Just took out that sell side liquidity that we've been watching all day. Why is it significant? It's just a market maker sell model. If you look at this, original consolidation, all those equal lows, but we do still have that busy there on the weekly, which we want to see. We could see that. Could also not be. That already tells low probability, right? But yeah, we could go lower, but let's see. Let's just see if we still have that singular 28 minutes. Yeah, alright. Let's see. This looks actually pretty good. So here we do have an SMT here, SMT there. So you would be taking a short on ES, right? Because ES is just weaker. Well, in this case you wouldn't be, because still ES is weaker there, ES is weaker here. But this target is way closer on NQ than ES. So ES you could be taking ES actually, and then take it to that low that has already been taken. I don't like to do that. I like to take where we still have targets. So we did close below this inversion here. So I actually go short here on a market execution. Close above this inversion actually. It's a pretty small one, but place my stop above. It's also a breaker actually. Swing high, swing low, swing higher. But actually on that breaker, basically above that candle there. But we don't actually have a wick above here. I like to take this when we have a wick above a candle here, and then no wick there or no wick here. But we do have a wick there. But as you can see, we have no wick above both those candles. So I actually don't like this setup just because of that wick. If we did have that wick, then I would have taken that. Let's see. There. That's that wick given. That would be my stop. Because I would be taking market execution. Stop there. I would be stopped out. Just because there's no wick. Alright, let's see. So we did give the wick there. We did go back to the candle opening. We do still have the SMT holding. Let's see. Close below there. We have no busy there. That's pretty sad. I actually have, again, no wick here, no wick there, no trade. And again, that would be my stop. Alright, going above there. I think we'll go higher, create equalize above there. Yeah, there we go. So, yep. Again, still have that target there. Looks like original consolidation. All those equal lows. We go higher now. See if we're actually gonna go way higher. Let's look for a low risk buy here. This is balanced price range. No busy there. So I'll be checking equilibrium. It lines up perfectly with the candle opening there. We have a busy there, busy there. Go to the 2 minute, busy there, 3 minute, busy here. Alright, I'll be looking for longs now. Back to the candle opening, looks like a great setup. Changing the state of delivery, looks good. We did inverse this on ES, looks good. I'll take this. Volume imbalance, no wick. Do have a wick there, so that's fine. What I do most of the time is I look at the last 3 candles, or the lowest 3 candles, and what I do, I take 1, 2, 3, and I take it to the middle one. So this is a low candle, this is a low candle, this is a lower candle. I take it to the middle one. There's my stop. Stop the break even here. I'll be targeting way higher. It could be just way higher. This would be low risk buy. Start the equilibrium there. break even would probably be here or a small retracement, and then I'll take my stop to the retracement. Then I would let it ride. See if we have any significant swing high. Yeah, first beat would be there, so no partials taken until these swing highs here. Let's see. Yeah, do have the equal highs above there. So yeah, first partial would be this high here because we have equal highs above NQ there, as you can see. So that would be the first partial, and that's the same high as this one. So that would be first partial. Alright, let's see. Market execution, 0.5% risk. Alright, stop out. Just easy as that. And next opportunity, let's go. Go lower, lower, big dump. Alright, so Corona period dropping, just straight dropping. Alright, and that's at low, and that's at busy there. So this will be end of trading day for me, because target has been reached. So we could be looking for more, but I just expect accumulation, or just dropping lower because it's Corona. Yeah, nothing crazy. Alright, so let's go to next day. Tuesday, no news. I'll skip this day. Go to next day opening. This is Tuesday opening. Oops. Let's go to Wednesday, no news. Skip that day. Could be going to London session, no? Because there is no high impact news folders, but we gotta look at the conditions, if conditions are right. Yeah, it looks terrible actually. I'm not trading this, not even London. Let's go to the next day. So we have orange folders, so I'll be only trading the AM session. So let's go to Thursday. Oh, it is Wednesday. Let's go to Thursday. So it's Thursday. Let's remove this. Move this. Alright, so from here I'm looking for bullish prices. Is that singular busy? So yeah, from here I want to see the higher prices. So ES looks more bullish, so I'll be taking it on ES. Let's remove that new week opening gap as well. Right, let's see. Alright, let's see. Did take out this low here on ES. Didn't on NQ though. So equal lows there. Already take out that low there. Alright. Sell side. Do have an SMT there. Pretty small SMT actually. But we do have a lot of liquidity above there. Looks like a original consolidation. On a bigger time frame, of course. Equal highs, and then actually a lot of equal highs here. Alright, let's see. Pretty big run to the upside. Let's look at this entire leg here. We have a CB there, CB there. Singular CB in its entire leg. This is now an inversion. Already used it as support here, close above. Use it as support, went higher. And CB. No CB there. 15 minute. CB. CB there. Inversion. From there. There. Let's look at the inversion now. Do have a few lows there. Not really crazy liquidity there. Yeah, I'm looking for higher prices though. Do have equal lows above below here, but I don't know if these ones get hit. It's just on a 1 minute, and it's a 1 hour inversion, but let's actually see. 850 to 910 macro, we again missed it, but let's see. There's nothing really that we missed here. Yeah, nothing really. So, alright. So as you see, if we can get a, because I'm expecting pretty big run to the upside. So let's see if we can get a Judas swing, maybe to those lows. Ah, beautiful. So you have like a singular busy here. 5 minute, 50 minute, yeah, would be too low. Alright, let's look at those equal lows. Alright, going off there. SMT. See close below here. Beautiful. I'll take this short. Close below this inversion. You have no wick here. Do have a wick there, but still it's pretty close to that inversion actually. So I actually put at 1, 2. This one is higher, 3, but I'll put it in a second. I'll look for a 1 to 7.5 RR. It's 144, so here would be my stop or break even. I'll let it run to 175 or 2. Could be 2. Also for a time when I have this, when I'm tired and it doesn't meet the 1.7 RR, I let it run to 2. So that's again base order, sell market. So let's see. Let's keep an eye on these lows on the S as well. And that's beautiful. So we took that low there. So target goes to break even. If you take out, if you get take profit now, depends of course on if we come back above here, then it's all profit gone. But I won't do anything. So let's see, 1 to 2 R get hit, and there it is. So it's a 1 to 2 RR, and we took one loss, and we're still up 0.5%. That's how it works with risk management, and this is basically how I did my analysis, how I do my backtesting, and how I look at trades. I will be backtesting more. I did like, I'm recording 47 minutes and only take 2 trades, but I'm doing this every single day on the backtesting, and I'm getting crazy results with this, and it's just only a matter of time until I get these in the actual markets. So yeah, this is it, and see you guys, bye.